The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Washington County, northern Clay County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Clyde, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. At 5:38 p.m., 2-inch hail was reported 7 miles east of Concordia. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Clay Center, Clifton, Morganville, Green, and Vining. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north central and northeastern Kansas.